Good morning, Stephanie Kammerman, the Stock Whisperer, here with today's daily dark pool whisper for Friday, the 13th. Yeah, September 13th. And what a week it's been. We have key levels we're watching on the SPY today, 302.50. Yeah, really key level. Let's see if we can. We did the first test. Pull back, and you guys know my second test rule. You wait for the second test, see if it can pull up there or not, and that's going to be really key to watch today. Bearish below 301.80 for a retracement trade down. Let's go to the E-minis, and we have a really key level on that, 30.25. And again, we did also the first test, pull back. So let's wait for that second test and see if we can break above that. Bearish below 30.17.50 for retracement. I have levels going down to the pivot and the 4 EMA. The Russell, we have to talk about the Russell, you guys. The Russell, I've never seen such a big dark pool level, and holy cow, we got it yesterday. Let me show you this. Yeah, all these Levi's, half Levi's, we should say, 251s, 251, 251, 7.5 million, mega level. We are going to get a very big move on the Russell. Is it going to be up? Is it going to be down? We could guess, but let's not do that. Yeah, let's use a level as a marker. So Blanca's saying it goes, ex-div, September 17th. Well, there you go, next Tuesday. Interesting. So that is the biggest level. We had two very big levels in a row. If we close below that 157, that would be bearish, but we're still above it. Okay, so that really is key to watch. And I drew this trend line, and it looks like it's breaking out. Let's see how we close today. That's going to be very important. If you look at the weekly chart, I drew another trend line where I touched, the tops to the tops, and we are right at the top of this channel. Are we going to break out? Yeah, if we were to close above 160, that would be a mega breakout. But we'll see. Watch that level carefully, okay? Bearish below 156.80. That would be below 157. All right, really key. Oops. Yeah, really key level to watch. Okay, so let's go to the QQQs. That's been quiet in the dark pool. Definitely have not gotten a lot of dark pool stuff on it. We did hit 195 area and pull back. Today we're going to be bullish above 194.50. It's a key level. See if we can break above. Bearish below 193.50. For retracement down to the 4 and possibly the 8 EMA. We'll go to the NASDAQ futures next. NASDAQ futures, we got bullish above 79.8750 and bearish below 79.50. Let's go to the Russell. I'm sorry, not the Russell, the Dow. And we're going to be bullish above 27,300. We've just bumped up to it and couldn't break above. That's a really key level. And bearish below 27,250. Oil futures. Yeah, let's see what that chart is showing today. Weekly candles will be closing, and that's huge because we have some really big levels here. Start with these guys. Yeah, we have these two trend lines that we're watching. This one and this one. And look at that. Literally, yeah, candles sitting right on this one. Are we going to close above this guy? That would be bullish. Or is it going to close below 55 is a really key level. Yeah, if we close weak on this candle, yeah, we're going to probably push back down again for the oil. So watch that. But today we're going to be bullish above 55.25 and bearish below 54.56 for short-term trade. But I do like to look at the bigger picture, and that's really key. Same goes for the gold. Yeah, let me show you this one. How is this candle going to close? It's been battling. Here, let me just zoom out here. Yeah, it's been battling these two levels here. Yep, this one and this one. And anything could happen. If it closes strong above here, that's going to be bullish. If it closes weak below here, it's going to be very uber bearish. So we will watch those levels. But in the meantime, bullish above 1517.50 and bearish below 1509. I'm going to go over some gold stocks for you guys to trade today. So gold, there wasn't too much pre-market volume. I'm going to tell you it was weak. Very, very weak this morning. Did not find that many great setups. We don't always have to trade gung-ho every single day. Trade when great setups appear. So gold had volume this morning, Barrett Gold. So bullish above 1750. Show you this chart here. Yeah, 17, and that's really a retracement trade to the 8. Yeah, very tight trade in there. Bearish below 1720. There's a lot more room to the downside, but we could kind of try to squeeze up a little bit. We'll see. Let's go to GLD. GLD, we're going to be bullish above 142.60. So you have this trade above the 8 right there. And then we have a bearish trade below 141.20 going down. Let's go to Apple. That had some volume. And, oh, thank you, Blanca. All X dividend, September 20th, SPY, XLF, XLI, XLK, XLP, XLRE, XLV. Thank you so much, Blanca, for that. Apple, bullish above 224.20. We did come down to the 4 EMA here, bearish below 220.50. So really the bearish trade is if we break below here, there would be a trade to the downside and right bullish above there. Let's go to Bank of America. It's a good whisper yesterday. Bank of America, bullish above 30.20. I picked the 20 level because I really wanted to clear 30. And bearish below 29.80 for a retracement trade back down to this 4 EMA. Now MGM has no volume pre-market, but holy cows, it had massive prints have been coming into this one. I have them all right here for you if you want to look at them. But we are going to be bullish above 29.50. I don't know where it's going to open up because there's no volume today. But I'm always bullish above all the prints, and I'm bearish below this print right here. 28.30 was the biggest one we got. So bearish below. This is more of a swing trade than a day trade. All right, so watch those levels, see how it closes. Really, really key. Yeah, if it does start to move up in here, I could see a really big move up. But if it's selling, you know, look out below. I mean, these are really, really massive. You could even see the big volume difference that's coming in here. So XLP is another one that had massive prints. And let's see, we have 3.9 million at 60.85. We are above that. But then we had another 500,000 at 61.46. Going to be bullish above 61.75, and this is also another swing trade. Okay, all the way up to 62 would be the first stop, but then 62.50 the next major level up. Bearish below if we go below those prints, 60.80. So watch that. If we keep getting more prints in, we'll see what comes in. It means they're not done, but definitely keep an eye because that was highly unusual coming into there. Let's go to TLT. This is so interesting right now. Check out this trend line that I drew. Yep, going back from right here, we came right down to it. That's the 50 simple moving average. Are we going to bounce, or are we going to break down and go into this channel, which let me just draw a trend line here. And one more. Right there. So, you know, we do trade in channels. Let me just draw one more while I'm at it. I love this. I could do this all day. Yeah, so we have channels. I always say it's the A. I see musical scales when I'm trading. B, C, and D. These are the big one, right? So are we going to go into the D, into the C, sorry, or are we going to bounce off and can stay in the D? We'll see. I have a couple trade setups, 140.50. Yeah, so I wanted to clear above 140.50. And if we break below 138.37, that's going to be bearish. We'll see how we close, but definitely keep your eye on this. This is exciting where it's at. Let's go to Aurora. Yeah, so we're done with earnings, and we do have some decent pre-market volume today. Very interesting where it's at on the chart. So we had a print at 608 just above us. If we can break above that, then I can see a move back to the top of this channel. But if we do break below this 575, we could retest these lows. So definitely want to watch ACB. So that's all I got. If I see anything that's really great during the day, obviously I'm going to call it out to you guys, but that's really the best setups that I can find so far. So have a great weekend, and until next time, happy trading.
That's my secret. Can you keep it? My secret. My secret.